Ray and Kev in the morning. Ray and Kev in the morning. Leicester sound. It's nothing up because I had time of my life. I never felt this way before. This I swear it's so true, and I owe it all to you. If we could only turn back time, well I guess we'll never know. Shine your light on the lady on this night.
So why come to an event like this for your school children? Well, it's very important to support community events, and as a school at the Grove we think that's very, very important, so any community event we're very happy to try and support.
Hi, this is Alan Duncan, the Member of Parliament for Rutland and Melton, and I'd like to wish everyone a happy Christmas and a prosperous new year to follow.
Right, this is Councillor Pam Posnett, Mayor of Melton Borough for this year. I would just like to give my message to all the people of the borough to wish them all a very happy, healthy and prosperous Christmas and New Year.
All deserve a massive cheer for being, I think, from one of the best, in fact the best place in Leicestershire, the Mowbray. Come on!
Here in Melton Mowbray.
Let's do a countdown. We're doing 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
The lights are on around Melton Mowbray.
Now I'm here with George Simpson. Now you're performing later on this evening. Are you nervous?
I'm a little bit nervous. Nervous. It's a big crowd, isn't it? It's cold, and I don't want to make any mistakes, and I want it to go well for Vicky. So, a bit of pressure, but I like it.
It's now my chance in person to thank you all. Thank you so much for all your support whilst I was on Greece. It really meant a lot to me that knowing that you're all behind me. So thank you so much for all your votes. It really did mean a lot. So thank you.
Be the safe side so I don't get hurt.